We have already learned how to construct angles such as 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree using a ruler and a compass. Now let us see how we can construct an angle of 135 degree using a ruler and a compass. Now to construct an angle of 135 degree, we first need to think how we can break it into the angles which we have already learned to construct. Now we know that 135 degree is equal to 90 degree plus 45 degree, and we know how to construct both these angles. So we will first construct a 90 degrees angle and then bisect the other 90 degree, that is 90 degree in the second quadrant to get 45 degree. So let us see how we can do that. First, we draw a line and take a point O on it. Now, with O as the center and a suitable radius, let us draw an arc to cut the line L at 2 points A and B. Now, with B as the center and radius greater than half the length of AB, we draw an arc on one side of L. Again, with A as the center and the same radius as before, we draw an arc on the same side of L which cuts the previous arc at a point C. Join OC and produce it to form the ray OC. Then angle BOC is equal to 90 degree. Now angle BOC is equal to 90 degree. Also angle AOC is equal to 90 degree. So if we bisect the angle AOC which lies in the second quadrant, we will get an angle of 45 degree. So let us do that. With A and P as the centers and taking the radius greater than half the length of AP, we draw two arcs. These two arcs intersect at a point D. We join OD and extend it to form a ray. Now OD is the angle bisector of angle AOC which is equal to 90 degree. So the measure of angle COD is equal to 45 degree. So now we see that angle BOD is equal to angle BOC plus angle COD. So we get a required angle of 135 degree. That is, angle BOD is equal to 135 degree. Now we can verify it using a protractor and we see that angle BOD is indeed equal to 135 degree. Now is this the only way of constructing 135 degree? Well, no. 135 degree is also equal to 120 degree plus 15 degree. We also know how to construct these two angles. So let us try and construct 135 degree using these two angles. So first we draw an angle of 120 degree at point O using the usual method with the help of a ruler and a compass. Or we can just directly draw a 60 degree angle on the supplementary side to get the required 120 degree. Then we bisect the supplementary angle to 120 degree which is 60 degree to get an angle of 30 degree. If we further bisect angle COD, we will get an angle of 15 degree. So now if we consider angle EOA, we see that it is made up of two angles. Angle EOC is equal to 15 degree. Also angle COA is equal to 120 degree. So these two add up together to give a total of 135 degree. So now once again we get our required angle of 135 degree, but this time in a different way, and we can verify it using a protractor. So you see that there are different ways of constructing the same angle. For any given angle, you need to break it down to the known angles, that is 60 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, and you need to see the sum of which two angles gives you the required angle and do the construction accordingly. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.